Enabling low power mode on the iPhone 15 conserves battery life by reducing the phone's overall power consumption through limiting background tasks and automatic downloads. Begin by swiping up to exit to the home screen. Next, tap Settings and scroll to find Battery. Here you'll see low power mode. Toggle it on or off depending on your needs. Remember, activating low power mode dials down background tasks such as downloads and email fetching until your phone is charged. If you're worried about the battery of your device, tap on Battery Health and Charging. In the next screen, you should see the maximum capacity of your iPhone's battery. If it's below 80%, then it needs service. We also suggest you enable the optimized battery charging feature to reduce battery aging. And that's all there is to it. Swipe up or tap back to exit to the home screen. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this tip, please hit like and subscribe for more.